cabin over here. We're in stateroom 8520. It's a category 7A with an obstructed view balcony. And so I'm going to take you guys along. So when you first walk in, this is kind of overview of the room. You've got your bed, your couch, with your table. It's a pretty spacious room. I think it's a little over 200 square feet. So for a cruise ship, it's pretty spacious. We're going to start at the front of the room when you come in. So on the back of the door, it just has your assembly station. We're in group H. Your thermostat here, light switches. Top one is a master switch, and the bottom one controls some individual switches. You do need to have a card of some sort to put in here. They have your stateroom card in here, but you can use a card of some sort to put in there to make sure that your lights stay on. The bathroom is a split bath. In the first bathroom, there is a toilet and a sink. So you can come right on in here and take a peek. So you have your toilet and your sink. I can step in and show you guys what it looks like in terms of space. So you've got your shelf here, some hand soap. It comes with hand soap in one bathroom, and your sink. And it fits fine. There's some hooks on the side, and also a shelf up top. Second bathroom is your shower, your tub. I'm gonna step in. It has your tub and your sink. So for reference, I'm 5'1½". I'm gonna take my shoes off here. I'm gonna step into the shower, and so if you're a pretty tall person, like, you might have to bend down a little bit. I'm 5'1", and so this is for reference. It comes with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash here. Has a nice handrail. The tub was like really clean when we arrived. It has two retractable clotheslines up top, one for swimwear and the other for shirts or whatever you need it to be. Also in this bathroom is your bar soap and your body lotion. So one soap has a pump and the other soap has a bar. Some people like to bring their own pumps. In both bathrooms, it's pretty spacious down here. In the other bathroom, there's actually a sharps box, but you got your towels and your trash can and all that stuff. On the back of the door, there's a full-length mirror, and it's really nice to have. Close that up. We've got two closets. Closet one has your safe, some life vests, there's also a laundry bag in there. Closet 2, no safe. There are life vests in there. We just put our laundry hamper that we brought in here, and my shoes are on the shelf below. So that kind of gives you a little reference on what the space looks like when you store things in it. Then you walk in, we have a nightstand over here. They're connected to the walls. There's each individual side has their lamps and stuff with your drawers. Over here, it came with 2 glass cups for us. Some drawers that I did store some things in, so I've got clothes in each of the drawers. They're pretty deep. shelving up top and the bottom. This room is a connected stateroom. We don't have anybody on the other side, so we're not gonna open that door. But you just go to your other side. You got your nightstand with your phone, and there's enough room under the bed to store your luggage, so that's good too. Your TV's over here. More shelving up top. I was able to fit just for reference on how wide it is, I've got some Bose headphones and I'm able to fit those here. You have your mini fridge. This mini fridge is it's a decent mini fridge. It keeps things pretty cold. So we've put like a couple bottles of wine in there and then some water that we brought on board with us. And it keeps the drinks cold. You also have a desk with your pull-out chair. For outlets, we have our hair dryer outlets. There are a couple of international compatible ones. We have 2 regular outlets here. These are some light switches, and then we have 2 USB ports. And then I'm not sure what these are for. Up top to bottom over here, we stored our 32-ounce bottles here just for size, and there's still some up top. You probably could store wine bottles in here if you didn't care if they were cold or not. This also came with the hair dryer and then this mat to put your hair dryer on because they don't want you getting it all messed up. More drawers. Hubby's got shirts in there. Socks and stuff, just more stuff. And also this comes down. This can be 2 like kid-sized beds. This comes down and then you can fold down the couch too, but it's just us, so we're not doing that today. I'll take you guys out on the balcony so you can see the balcony and the obstruction. Okay, it's not really an obstruction, it's still really nice. We like it because it provides some shield from like the wind and some shade. If you're not you don't want to like bake in the sun, it provides some shade. So there's a safety child lock up top. We don't use that because we don't have kids, so we're not worried about it. But there's a safety child lock up top, and then you pull down here, and it opens right up. So it's warm. It's a little bit echoey out, but you can see the obstruction's not really that bad. It's fine. It gives you some shade. It comes with 2 chairs and a little sofa. Or excuse me, 2 chairs and a table. And I'm here. It's fine. Works out great. So I'm glad you guys watched our video. And hit the like button if you like it and subscribe if you want to. Thanks.